In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask how many objects in Maori. For example, we may ask someone, e hia ngā tūru? How many seats? Between the numbers 2 and 9, we must use the word e before the number to answer. E rua, 2. E toru, 3. E whā, 4. E rima, 5, etc. But for one object, because the answer is not between the numbers 2 and 9, we ask e hia ngā tūru? How many seats? Ko tahi te tūru. There is 1 seat. If you have 10 seats, the answer is e hia ngā tūru? How many seats? Te kau ngā tūru. There are 10 seats. We may also want to say there are lots of seats. Maha means lots of. E hia ngā tūru? How many seats? E maha ngā tūru? There are lots of seats. Equally, there may be very few seats, so you ask, e hia ngā tūru? How many seats? E iti ngā tūru? There are only a few seats. Just a tip from me, you better sit down quickly, otherwise you may have to stand or sit on the floor. Just saying. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.